Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you the beautiful button crafts ideas. So I hope friends you enjoy my videos. So let's start today videos of friends. My first idea is reverse friends. Button rainbow art. Draw a rainbow shape on paper, apply glue on each line. Now place buttons in rainbow colors. Let it dry completely. Yeah, button rainbow art is ready. Bright and happy decoration. Button frame. We are making a button tree. Take a frame or cardboard, draw a tree trunk with a marker. Apply glue on the branches. Stick green buttons like leaf. Let it dry. Your button tree frame is ready. Simple and beautiful. And the reverse button hair clip. Friends, let make a cute hair clip. Take plain hair clip, glue small buttons on chocolate, then dry properly. Your button hair clip are very colorful and fun to wear. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video, friends. Take care of and Khuda Hafiz. Friends. Viewers.